Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys aren't interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Heraremy, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Heraremy, so let's get right into it. Today we have her in the style Nia. This is their invisible HD lace in a 13x6. So here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly. It does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band, which is really high quality, so kudos to them for that. And here's the 13x6 lace. Here's how it looks directly onto my head. It does not look bad at all. I'm gonna go in and show you guys like all the functions of the unit. But while I do that, I did want to give you guys a couple of like just things about the wig while we do this. So I know you guys can see this, so I'm just gonna go in and tell you guys how I feel about it so you guys can just watch the styling portion. So as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience minimal shedding and minimal tangling, which was really good. There was a little bit more shedding than I would like, but it wasn't anything that I couldn't control. I just went in with my wig control spray as well as my paddle brush and I was good to go. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style this unit and make it work for me, and of course you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thought. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have a unit from Heraremy. Her name is Nia. She is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and I have her in the color number 1B today. She is on the darker side, so she does kind of look like a 1, which I'm not mad at all because you guys know I love my dark black hair. So yeah, I'm here for it. I really do like this unit, but I do want to tell you guys like all the details and how I feel about it. So let's just go ahead and start there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the cons so that we can end on a good note. So one of the cons I have with this unit is that it does have a little bit more shedding than I'm used to. I was just not expecting to get like as much shedding as I did. Luckily for me, I have my wig control spray. So with the wig control spray, you just take your wig control spray and then you use your paddle brush and you are good to go. I'm definitely not experiencing like shedding now, but before that I was, and that was a con for me because I was just like I don't like when my wig shed, because what if I'm wearing a light color and people are going to be seeing my wig shed on my clothes. However, there is a way to stop it because it's not excessive shedding, but I did notice that. I believe that's the only con. Oh yeah, so the hairline could be pre-plucked a little bit, but your girl finessed it, okay? Like I made it work. But it can be, a little bit more pre-plucked. You guys know nowadays we have like the super melted hairlines with those perfectly pre-plucked hairlines. So I mean, that's just what we're used to. So I feel like the hairline could be plucked a little bit more, but however, it still can work. The parting space looks really nice, as you guys can see, and it goes all the way back, so it looks really, really natural. But I just feel like there could be a little bit more plucking like in the in this area. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out for all the details on this hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you are thinking. Let me know if you would pick up this unit, or do you like the way that I put her on. Just talk to me. I would love to communicate with you. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.